I guess hey there, folks. Sorry. What you just seen there was I'm rendering down some beef tallow. A buddy of mine gave me some brisket trimmings, and we're rendering down a bunch of tallow. My son, old Wild Bill, brought us home some Blackstone whiskey burger. He brought home like 5 or 6 seasons. We're going to do a video with every one of them. And just for fun, today I'm going to make some smash burgers. I'm not great at it, but we're going to make it. And I'm going to roll these in about 1/8 pound balls and put some of this in it first, mix it up. And this stuff, you can smell a bourbon. I smell brown sugar in there. I smell like caramel or something. I don't know. It's got kind of a sweet. You can tell what they're going for in it. You know what I'm talking about. But anyway, I'm going to get me some balls made up and be back in a minute. Oh, I love 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 16 of them. 16 little balls. That'll make 8 burgers. Y'all want to do a smash burger double. And I got some cool cheese too. Fancy cheese from our local Harps. So I'm going to take a mandolin and shave some onions, and I'll be right back. Buns, I got enough for 8 double cheeseburgers. So I got 8 sets of buns out here. I got some, y'all go check out. I'll try to put a link down in the description to his channel. Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking, my buddy Rob. He just done a video doing these. I'm not copycatting you, buddy, but I'd never seen them before. Didn't even know what they were. So I found some at my grocery store, and I'm going to make them on the flat top just like you did. I want to try them. It's potato and cheddar. I don't know what the damn breading's made of. Don't know. But they look good, damn good to me, and I think they'll go. I'm going to make some smash burgers. So we're going to cook some pierogies and smash burgers. And have pierogies instead of French fries, I guess. Billy got us, old Wild Bill got us a new scraper / spatula. So we're going to try that out. Got a stick of butter. Going to use a lot of butter on these. Got some shaved onions. Got some Colby and Monterey. And got some pepper jack. So that's what we're going to be putting on the smash burgers. And I ain't good at burgers, but they're going to taste good, I guarantee you. And we put this, when I was making the little 1/8 pound burgers, I put some of that seasoning right there in it. Anyway, we're fixing to get after it, y'all. Yeah. All right. All right, if I can find everything, we're going to take a stick of butter. Not a super thick coat. Alright, we got our buns done. There's still a lot of butter on the surface here. Hang on a second. What do I got going on here? Alright. Anyway, here comes the old pierogies. I have no idea how to do them. Just gonna cook them till they're brown. Yeah, you got nervous stamped on. I've never seen these things before. Check out Rob, Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking, man. He's got some good stuff. They do a lot of comparison. Like, I don't know what you call it. I forget what he calls it. They're just like, they'll get different brands of stuff comparing them to each other and reviews. They'll do reviews on stuff. Yeah, it's a cool channel. He cooks some good food. This is one of them. He done this and like some kind of sausages and oh, I forget what all now. He made a killer like meal out of them. I'm going to do it with smash burgers instead of French fries. I'm doing pierogies. So anyway, I don't know. I'm just going to do them until they're golden brown. It's just potatoes and cheddar cheese, so it's not crucial, I don't think, the temperature. I'll get them up at least 150 or so, I figure. I don't know. Yeah, they're getting a little brown. Alright. Being straight up honest, I forgot to turn my grill up. You don't want to do smash burgers on low. So I'm just now getting it turned up. And I didn't get a very good crust on that side. We got it turned up now. Say hi, Wild Bill.
Howdy.
Well, Bill had the flu, man. Look here. See how those things are. Not worth a shit. I messed up. Oh, that one looks pretty good. You need to go back over and think about what you've done, little fella. You're not wanting to play along. Let's see here. Out there. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Ooh. Alright. Alright, you're forgiven. Let me just tar that side back. We're going to start putting these suckers together. Billy, I may need your help, buddy. Alright, we're going to turn that down a hair. God dang. 4. Shit. Oh, God. It's going too fast. That's the only thing about the Blackstone. You can't get back and enjoy your beer while you're cooking. You'll ruin the whole damn thing. Alright. Oh my God. Oh, goddamn. Ah! Golly, I got that way too hot. Alright, okay, that's good. Alright. I started with the griddle too low on the others, and now I think I'm okay on these. So I'm gonna, yeah, this is a lot hotter this time. Hold it, what do you say, 8 seconds, 9 seconds? Me personally, that is my favorite smash burger right there. When I get them, and it's all the way. I want to just smash those in. There's only one side. All this meat's curling up bad. Sorry about the finger in the way. Oh, have it hot enough to really it. Damn. Man, he's a freaking righteous dude, I tell you what. Look at that big ugly thing. I'm not the best at smash burgers, but I'm telling you what. That sumbitch looks good to me. Mmm. I overcooked them a little bit, for sure. They're a little bit dry. Excuse me, I don't have a napkin at the moment. As for these things, You know what I think that is? That, if I had to sum it up and explain it, if you melted cheddar cheese and instant mashed potatoes, and that outer shell is chewy, like a kind of like a stale tortilla shell, like a flour tortilla. I don't know. Different. I can't say I'm a huge fan. Mm. Oh my goodness. Well, it's hard to beat a good smash burger. There we go, sweetie. All right, that's all I got. Whew, I tell you what, they're dang rough. I don't know. Yeah, I overcooked those. I'm not great at smash burgers, but it hang on a second.